In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily convert a Google Docs file into a Microsoft Word document, whether you need to share a document with someone who doesn't use Google Docs or you just prefer to have a copy of your work in the Word format. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. To start, you'll need to go to Google Docs and make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. But assuming most of you already do, just head over to docs.google.com in your web browser. Once you're logged in, you should see a list of all your documents, or if it's your first time, you can create a new one. Now, let's say you have a specific Google Docs file that you wish to convert. Open that document by clicking on it in your list of documents. This will take you to the main editing view where you can see and make changes to your text. Once you have the document open, you're going to look towards the top left of your screen. Here, you'll see the File option in the menu bar. Go ahead and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. You'll want to look for the Download option in this menu. It might be towards the middle, so scroll if you need to. Click on Download, and this will lead you to another selection of formats you can convert your document into. For converting to a Microsoft Word document, you'll choose the Microsoft Word Docx option. Select it, and in a matter of seconds, your document will begin to download. Now, depending on your internet speed and the size of the document, this might take a little bit of time, but usually it's pretty quick. Once the download completes, you can find your newly converted document in your computer's Downloads folder. It's that simple. Double-click the downloaded file to open it in Microsoft Word, and now you have a fully functional Word document that maintains the original formatting from Google Docs. A quick tip: if you frequently need to convert documents, you might want to organize them in a dedicated folder on your computer for easy access. So, to recap, you just need to log into Google Docs, open your desired document, click on File, then Download, and finally choose Microsoft Word, Docx. And there you have it, a straightforward way to convert your documents. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more handy digital tips. Thanks for watching.